Only hindi. Ha, hi, from this. Ate Isabel, thank you. Bye, Mortasa. Good night, all friends. Uy, Mortasa, thank you. Isabel, sis, hello from sis SM. How are you? I'm from sis SM. SM tutorial. Ayan, night boot. Only hindi ay. O, diba ang gulo ko magbasa? Isabel says, hello dear, how are you? From sis SM. SM, I'm from Jupiter. I'm from Nightboot. Guys, go to pinindang guys ha. Sisroan. Basta. I'm fine, my dear. Sis SM tutorial. Thank you from Ate Isabel. Andito ba si Ken? Awan Ate Isabel, awan. Hangkam mo. Awan kamin. Awan adiyin. Expert adiyin. Apaya? Makikitampay? Awan, diyan mo ano, datoy sunag. Buya, mati makapasok ka live ko, diyan ka mo na. Ata ni Barute, si Nightboot. Yan si Nightboot. Ate Isabel. Iso na tikwati. Joak. Noveline, sis, my eyes is so close. Okay, sis SM. Me also sis SM. You know, while I'm talking, my eyes is closed. SM tutorial, long time no see and from Ate Isabel. Why close eyes SM? Putol. Put toothpick in your eyes SM and from Nightboot. Close sis, I'm very sleepy and from sis SM. Open SM. Are you eating something wrong SM and from sis Rose? Hi Apo, agasawa kanhan nga hanggang jowa lang. Sabi ni Ate Isabel. Ate Isabel, ganon. Nightboot and from SM. Good night sis. Thank you so much, love you. Ganun ba Ate Isabel? Soon, mag-asawa ako soon. Subeng. Wala siyang amoy, kaso nag-observe yan. Please SM, stay with us and from Nightboot. Jowa muna Ate Isabel kasi pag dadumagamin, madip Kailangan nagbayad ka, awandan, ganyan.